your life, let me want to know. Goal is for what? You are supposed to perform all so many activities, but all the activities clubbed together and make only three activities. First is economic, second is social, and third is the spiritual issue. So if you have achieved economic, say objective, that means you have achieved your economic goals. If you are having a family and you are able enough to say meet out all the things which your family requires, which depend upon you, that means your social life, your friends, relative, and other things that you get satisfied with yourself. And if you want to know some light from the known source, enlightenment, it is spiritual. So within an organization, goal is for a department. Marketing department's objective is what? It is a goal of marketing department, production is there. If you club all the goals together, they become the objective of the organization. And what I have said, that for fulfilling any objective, whether it is a physiological, social, psychological esteem or self-actualization, what compels you to move in such that you must know. Every human activity comes from only 6 ways. Whatever you do by your body and mind or not? Your body and mind. And body is what? It is a chariot which is guided by a mind. Okay? So, initiation of a particular things to do comes in the mind, and mind works through senses. Senses search data, process by mind to become information. Every information is required to make the decision, and this is a decision that causes movement of your body. ऐसे ही चले जाता कुत्ता कुत्ते के पास, कुछ मोटिव होता है उसका, क्या लिखिए? This is all the motives in the human body comes from the 6 ways. First one is what? Inherited, जो आप लेके पैदा होते हैं. तो रविंद्र सिंह, हेलो, देखिए रविंद्र सिंह हमारे छोटे भाई हैं, आपको देख के नहीं लगता उत्तरांचल से आए हैं? कहीं कोई शक है? भाई, है ना? ये junior speaker का जानती हैं? The most junior person sitting in this hall and you are not going to recognize. This means because you people are not having a group cohesiveness. Group behavior is taught in the organization behavior. There is the 4th or 5th day today. And 4th day only 30 people are sitting in this hall and you don't never get the customs with yourself. Why it is so? Why it is so?
We have not given free time.
Oh. It is the problem created by the organizer. And that's why Amsulam mom said, sorry Dr. Sahab, I need not to worry because I take my time till 9 p.m. And then we proceed in search of happiness. I know the place where it is being sold. Your every activity that causes you to move in the direction to satisfy your needs comes from 6 ways. पहला क्या बताया मैंने? ये ले करके आता है. दूसरा, this is what you have learned from the society, inherited and learned. Okay. Second is what? Some of the society means what? Group of people inherited together and share 3 things. 3 ही चीजें हम शेयर कर सकते हैं, चौथी हमें नहीं मालूम. And it is said by whom? आपको मुझे नाम कितनी बार बताया नहीं सुना होगा. Human beings share only 3 things. First is the trust, second is the pleasure, and third is what? कोई लोगों की बुरी आदत होती है, इनहेरिटेड है, मैं बताया ना. वो आदत है, मजबूर है. वो पिक्चर देखिए आपने. कभी सोचता हूँ कि मैं कुछ कहूँ, कभी सोचता हूँ कि मैं चुप रहूँ. लेकिन चुप रहेंगे दुकान बंद हो जाएगी, घर कैसे चलेगा? Progress, and you are here to listen because you are taking part in this particular program by depositing fee, and it is the right way to run the society. That give and if you are not giving something, you are not entitled, you are not liable, you are not legitimate to receive something. If a student is not able enough to give his fees, we wouldn't allow to sit into the examination because this is the social norms. इंस्टीट्यूशन कान रन। ब्रेन कुछ होता, ब्रेन कुछ नहीं होता। देखो क्या हुआ, पहला क्या है, नैरेटेड एंड सेकंड क्या है, रैशनल और इमोशनल। ये पढ़ाने जाएंगे तो 4 दिन कम पड़ जाएंगे। रैशनल क्या होता है, emotional क्या होता है। आज के डेट में हेनरी बेकल ने सिर्फ 1 आईक्यू लेवल खोजी थी, आज 5 आईक्यू लेवल हैं। मालूम है आपको? अब ह्यूमन बीइंग्स होल पर्सनालिटी चेक बाय द 5 आईक्यू लेवल। He has searched only 1 IQ level, mental age upon real age into 100. Now 5 kind of IQ. बहुत पीछे छोड़ा है दुनिया को। आगे कहाँ जाएंगे हमें मालूम है, भैरव घाट। कितने चलेंगे? क्या लिखा आपने? रैशनल और तीसरा फैसेट होता है सोशल और साइकोलॉजिकल। सोशल और means these are the sources from where you receive 2 things, data and information. Now you are saying data and information. Your mother, the first say guru of a child, very first thing that she taught to his child is what? मालूम है आपको? It is written in our scripture. Mother is the first guru. Guru who teaches what is right, what is wrong. मदर ही बताती है ये पापा है। बताती है। चलो। Means what? अब now there is no need processing into it. A child is bound to suppose that he is my father. So majority of the assumptions with which people are living, you need not to process the information. You are taught in a manner that you have to believe that this is this. This is this. This is this. So it is information or not. And as it is, you use it into making your decision. His mother has said he is your father, now you have to consider it as he is your father. Every son do not force a father to come for a DNA test to verify that you are my father. In the same manner, within every society, there are so many things which are taught. Learning लिखा है कि नहीं लिखा उसमें? You are made to learn and you do not have to process the information. You have to believe that if it is being said by the people around us, they are known as the reference group. You have to believe. And in this particular vector, the whole cosmetic industry of this world is going on. For a beauty to a woman, the meaning is different in the different part of this world or not? Now in the area of globalization, what has happened? That slowly and slowly we are moving from our aesthetic appeal and adopting the Western culture in our society or not? Although it doesn't fit, but we are creeping. It is known as acculturation. So it is a global world. So if you are taking something from them, it is they are also receiving something. Our Indian food and culture, and it is being propagated in the Europe and other part also. Majority of time you have studied that they are coming, couple is coming for the enjoying their wedding in the Indian way, because wedding is a kind of festival for us. It is not like for them. It is simply information that we are going to keep and bless them. But in our society, we prepare stars that we have to go. So it is a matter of joy for us. That means what some of the information data which we learn from the society, we are made to grow in such a manner that you are not supposed to make any processing into it. You have to obey it as it is being done within the society since as a tradition. Then social means the people around you. You know that all the people around you can be clubbed in and can be segregated into only 4 groups. It is written in the book of marketing. In consumer behavior में लिखा है ना, aspirational group, reference group, avoidance group and reputation group. 4 तरह के group तो होते हैं. So from them your behavior also get influenced. Psychological means what? What is human psyche? इसको बताने के बाद मैं बताऊंगा वो 3 चीजें कौन है जिसकी वजह से आप स्किलफुल बनते हैं. These are what? The information and how it will be processed. This is what you are taking from the society or not. Without learning and experience, you become a skillful person. Really? If I am giving this lecture without knowing that on which topic I have to give the lecture, it is due to the 22 years of experience or not? Learning with experience has made myself competent enough to deliver my speech. and you would also be the same say person after some time if you keep on going on this particular track. So psychological means what? Psychic means what? इसको नोट कर लीजिए, किसी को मालूम नहीं, मैं चैलेंज के साथ कह रहा हूँ, because it is not written in any book in the management economics or commerce. Mind works through senses, as I told you earlier. So what you perceive from the senses, you make a decision by the information that you have in the mind due to the experience, and your whole life activities is bound within it or not. Psychic means something else that comes as an intuition within yourself, and that intuition is different in different people, and that's why we become an individual. Plenty of time we have to behave in the same manner as a teacher. Every teacher is the same. He delivers his speech to make the student learn. We are all within the society as a teacher. What our prime role is to make the student learn the subject. The same, but the same subject taught by the same competent people, MBA, MCOM, MSc. But way of learning is different or not? It is due to the knowledge. Second is the skills. So there are three kinds of skill. You know it: visionary skill, technical skill, and human skill. English में तो होती है, तो है ही नहीं. ये प्रिंसिपल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट की बेसिक में लिखा हुआ है. Assistant in the basic. What I am going to add into it from the some other books. You become skillful only when you possess the ability of utilizing your resources to achieve your objective or not. And effectiveness means what? What objective that you have set, how much you have achieved, it is known as effectiveness. For example, a student is given a question paper and maximum marks is 100. Out of 100, how much mark that you have secured? It is a effectiveness or not? Okay? It is effectiveness. For you guys, it is very difficult to choose a lipstick. There are so many shades into it. You have read so many red. Which one would be effective for yourself? You have to elect or not. It means what? Every effectiveness is measured in terms of a particular set parameter. Whether the parameter set by the society or whether the parameter is set by the science. Your effectiveness is always measured in terms of the standard parameters. Whether it is set by the society or whether it is set by the science. So how much effective you are? It is a skill or not? And second is with effectiveness, you must be efficient. ये तो सबको मालूम होगा, ये हमें बताने की जरूरत नहीं. Efficiency means what?
Output by input.
100% right. 100% right. यही है, दूसरा कोई हम दूसरी बदल देंगे क्या? Effectiveness means with less input, more output. You are efficient. So you become a skillful only when you have been effective and efficient. So effectively and efficiently you do what? You utilize the resources to achieve your objective. That makes you competent or not. And every human being having only three resources. बताइए कौन कौन से? This is what I want to write, which is not written in any management book. अच्छा, दो चीजें बता दीजिए. What is the resources and how many kind of resources?
So which one? Production. Well, material. That is not.
मैं गया थे टीचर पढ़ा गए थे भाई साहब, ये इकोनॉमिक रिसोर्सेस है ना. इकोनॉमिक रिसोर्सेस क्या आपको मालूम होगा? लैंड, लेबर, कैपिटल, इंटेलिजेंस, ये इकोनॉमिक रिसोर्सेस है ना. प्रोडक्शन क्या है? मेन मनी, मटेरियल, मशीनरी. मार्केटिंग रिसोर्सेस क्या है? प्रोडक्ट, प्लेस, प्राइस, प्रमोशन, है ना. ऐसे बहुत से रिसोर्सेस, सारे रिसोर्सेस के पिताजी जो हैं वो क्या है? वो पांच ही हैं दुनिया में, चाहे हम हो या कोई हो. What is resources and what are the kind of resources? ये बता दीजिए. ये मैंने बता दिया, पांच ही होता है.
Physical, monetary.
100% right. 100% right. अरे हम में से बीच में कोई जीनियस भी है. My first question is what is a resource? Second is what are the kind of resources? Universal resources.
Sir, anything which fulfill your needs.
अब भाई हमारे लिए तो ये रिसोर्स है, उनके प्यार थोड़ी देर बाद कुछ और कहा करेंगे। देखिए, anything from which certain value is derived, it is not a resource. लिख लीजिए इसको, गड़बड़ को मालूम नहीं है। Anything that exists and human being possesses the capability to derive the utility, that is known as resources. है ना? बालू से आप क्या रिसोर्सेज यूटिलिटी क्रिएट करेंगे? बिल्डिंग बना लेंगे ना उससे, ठीक है ना? सिंपल सा है। अब these resources are of only 5 kind. First is what? सबको मालूम है, नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज। It is a gift of बालू की फैक्ट्री बनाओ क्या? साइंस ऐसी फैक्ट्री मशीन बना सकती है, इधर से घास डालो उधर से दूध निकले? बोलिए, बना सकती है क्या? IVF से मदर बना सकते हो, वो प्यार आ सकते हो? समथिंग इज नेचुरल, यू आर नॉट सपोज्ड टू मेक। इसलिए नेचर के साथ खिलवाड़ नहीं करना चाहिए। कर रहे ये लोग कर रहे हैं ना, नाश हो जाएगा हम लोगों के लिए। पक्का है, अरे 100% है। टैलो नाम सुना है? टैलो किसे कहते हैं? टैलो नहीं सुना है? एनिमल फैट को कहते हैं। और लिपस्टिक बनाने के सबसे अच्छा टैलो किसका आता है? पिग का। अगर पिग का मांस न हो तो लिपस्टिक नहीं बनती। तो बड़े पंडिताइन सप्लाई। अरे इट इज साइंटिफिकली प्रूव्ड। देखिए ऐसा है कि माइकल इम्पोर्टर को नहीं पढ़ा है आपने। जो मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजीज होती है अल्टीमेटली जाके 3 जगहों पे खत्म हो जाती हैं, कॉस्ट, डिफरेंशिएशन एंड फोकस। दीज आर नथिंग बट डिफरेंशिएशन स्ट्रेटजी, है ना? धानु का मतलब C2H5OH ही होता है। वो किस सोर्स निकलता है उससे वाइन हो जाती है, वोडका हो जाती है। बट ओनली one potable liquor which you call as the liquor is chemically C2H5. तो ये मत कहिए गन्ने से निकली आयुर्वेदिक है। These are the method of cooling. These are the method of cooling. Nothing else. One thing you admire it means and you think you make it into your consciousness. Whenever you go to purchase something, never believe in the opinion of the salesman. Never believe in the opinion of I am here, what I want you put it here, then negotiate on the price. Never get into it, बहन जी ये ले लीजिए, बोले बहन तुम्हारे घर में जाके उसको दे दो। तो customer is the king. As a king, if you are not able to make your decision by your own self, it means what? You are guided by someone else? बहन जी ये लीजिए, क्यों ले ले? बहन अपनी बहन को दो। तो बताइए, मैं बेसिक चीजें मैं पूछ रहा हूँ। इफेक्टिवनेस समझ गया, एफिशिएंसी समझ गया, रिसोर्सेज क्या होते हैं जान गए। 5 तरीके से होते हैं। पहला नेचुरल, दूसरा क्या बताइए? मैंने बता दिया। तो मुझे मेरे पापा मम्मी ने बता दिया। इसको क्या कहते हैं? लिखिए, कहते हैं माइंड नहीं कहते हैं, माइंड में बाद में जोड़ दिएगा। तो कहते हैं फिजिकल रिसोर्सेज मीन दोज रिसोर्सेज व्हिच ह्यूमन बीइंग हैव मेड बट हैज मेड बाय द नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज एंड देयर। हमने बैंक बनाया है ना, तो बैंक क्या है? फिजिकल रिसोर्स है ना। फिजिकल मींस समथिंग व्हिच यू परसीव थ्रू योर सेंसेस and we have made a bank by which we derive this value or transaction of the money. हमने ब्रिज बनाए हैं, नेचर ने तो नहीं बनाया था ना, हमने बनाया क्या? नेचर ने बनाया था। एरोप्लेन क्या? तो these are all फिजिकल। इससे भी आपकी कोई वैल्यू डेराइव हो रही है, ब्यूटी डेराइव हो रही है, वो रिसोर्स है ना आपका। अब सोसाइटी में क्या हो गया? वेस्टर्नाइजेशन ऑफ आवर कल्चर। We give accolades to the person who is having good car, and this is what happened in my department. those idiots who are coming from the Barra, it is a more traffic place. They are driving. That's why ये साइकिल लगो. Driving to the Barra by a four-wheeler, it is very difficult process. So first is what? Second, तीसरा 100% right. Fourth, financial resources. इसके बाद गाड़ी रुक गई. अब बताओ, हम चला देंगे. मैं चला दूंगा. बताओ. Any entity which reduces your uncertainty and make you certain is known as information. Fifth one is information resources. You are dependent upon someone else for getting the right information or not. जैसे रवींद्र सिंह आप क्लास कहाँ चल रही थी? तो मैंने बताया ना उधर क्या हो. So I have guided means what? I have initiated and influenced his activity to go to the upstairs and there you will meet most genius professor of this universe. समझ गए? ये क्या है? Resources. These are common for everyone or not? Then why some people become competent?
Utility of resources. They use them.
To utilize this utility, you must know how to use yourself in three perspectives. पहले लिखे time, दूसरा लिखे energy और तीसरा लिखे money. ये सबके पास होता है. इसी का यूज करके कोई आइडियाज बन जाता है, कोई बीसी बन जाता है. इसी का यूज करके कोई कुछ नहीं बन पाता है. इसी का यूज करके भैंस से दूध दोने वाला आदमी बिल्डर बन गया. नहीं बिल्डर नहीं. टाइम, मनी, तीसरा क्या है? एनर्जी. योर एनर्जी स्टेटस comes, grow, and after some time it is stabilized or not. एनर्जी मतलब यार फिजिकल एनर्जी से कुछ दिन बाद आंख भी खराब हो जाती है. तो कुछ करा जल्दी करो. बताओ, तुम भी चलोगे? You also love to provide your company with us. क्या बात है सर? मैंने
Yes, yes.
means what? Every human being having only three resources. First is the time. Second,
Energy.
third,
Energy.
energy. The person who utilizes these three resources effectively and efficiently to achieve his objective is a skillful person. एक ही मैकेनिक ने थोड़ी देर में समझ करके आपका काम ठीक कर दिया. एक कहेगा भाई साहब छोड़ जाइए, कल देखेंगे. परसों कहेगा ये पार्ट खराब है, तो आपका हो गया. एक स्किलफुल डॉक्टर आज भी देखिए हमारी सोसाइटी में सेम MBBS MD है. DP Agrawal is charging 1,500 rupees for consultation fee. There are so many MD medicine in your periphery. In every area there is MD medicine. But why DP Agrawal? Because he is skillful or not? Only by asking few questions he prescribes the medicine and you say that yes, I am okay. It means what? A skillful person uses lesser time, lesser energy with lesser money and make you correct. इसे कहते हैं skillful. ठीक है? So a teacher have to be skillful. It simply means what? Your prime objective is what? To make the student learn how effectively and efficiently you are using your time, energy and money to make you learn. Is it skill or not? Now third part is the ability. Able means what? Able means what? सक्षम नहीं होता है. योग्यता.
Something in a better way.
यस. तो ऋतिक रोशन के ऊपर एक पिक्चर बना दी गई, मैं तेरे काबिल हूँ कि नहीं. हाँ और क्या? इट मीन्स व्हाट? परफेक्टली मैच. दैट दिस इज द रिक्वायरमेंट एंड यू possesses the ability to meet it. है ना? This ability comes from four. देखिए अभी आप ब्रेन का काम शुरू हो गया. This ability in a human beings comes from four ways. कभी सोचा क्या? How a person become able? Able, then skilled, and then knowledgeable. Then only you become competent. Ability क्या है बताओ? Doing the things as a suggested manner. Ability is something, right? You are a student, you are having a syllabus, a teacher is teaching, these are the questions, you are able enough to right answer effectively and efficiently within a time period in the right way, you will be given good marks. That means you are able or not. Ramachandra Archekar has taught so many students, but Ramachandra Archekar is known by the Sachin Tendulkar and Vinod Kambli. Means what? There are so many students over there, but capability is something else, which was present naturally in a Sachin Tendulkar and Vinod Kambli. गुरु की पहचान शिष्य से होती है, वृक्ष की पहचान फूल पत्ती और इससे होती है। जड़ें बेचारी अंधेरे में रह जाती, चलो कौन पूछता है? पूछने की जरूरत है, प्रभु तो पूछते हैं। एबिलिटी बनती है चार चीजों से। पहला क्या है जो आपको मैंने बताया, देखिए एटीट्यूड। एटीट्यूड सुना है कि नहीं सुना है? Attitude simply means your natural inclination towards something. Some students are very good in the commerce, some students are very good in the arts, some students are very good in the science. It is naturally not within them or not? Okay? Naturally, someone like blue, someone like red. It is a natural tendency or not? When it is reflected in the behavior, it is said or not? यार क्या बड़ा एटीट्यूड जा रहे हो यार, मतलब तुम्हारा रुझान जहाँ वही जा रहा हो, बाकी देख ही नहीं रहो, हैं? ये रिफ्लेक्ट होती है प्रैक्टिकली किसमें? एक और वर्ड है, एक अभिवृत्ति होती है, एक अभिरुचि होती है। अभी तो एटीट्यूड बताया, अभी दूसरा क्या है? लिखो, हम कहेंगे तो लिखोगे। ये क्या है? You are inclined to pluck a flower, but this inclination would be reflected in your action or not? Vritti means you are at the center, now you move to the periphery. The periphery means what? Periphery means mundane activity that is in the environment. हमें कैसे मालूम तुम अच्छे हो बुरे हो? ये तुम्हारे कार्य बताएंगे ना। हेलो, पहले कौन बताता है? नहीं मालूम, छोटी सी नहीं आती, पहले बताता है शीशा। शीशा बेचारा झूठ नहीं बोलता, वरना बताते झूठे आते हैं। मतलब समय बर्बाद कर दो, वो बोलता भी है, तो वहां किससे बात होती है आपकी? अपने में लिखा आपने एटीट्यूड। नेचुरली एवरी पर्सन व्हेन ही लुक टू द मिरर ही सी दैट आई एम लुकिंग गुड। इसमें क्या बुराई है? बिकॉज अवर फेस एवरीथिंग इज गिवन बाय द गॉड और नॉट, बट इट इज माई सेल्फ टू मेक अवर सेल्फ सुटेबल फॉर द एनवायरमेंट और नॉट। अभी मैं ट्रैक सूट पहन के जाऊंगा तो यू वुडंट रिकॉग्नाइज दैट आई एम अ टीचर। So society is run by a particular norms which set by him. So if you are going to the marriage, you have to dress up properly or not? So this attitude that you have in mind, but to start dressing up, it is what? Second thing? है ना? इससे क्या होता है कि बहुत पसंद करते हो, दिखलाओ भी तो। गाना नहीं सुना? कोई फूल कोई तोहफा तुम कुछ भी साथ नहीं लाते, अपनी महबूबा से मिलने खाली हाथ नहीं आते। और क्या? तो क्या है? सारी जगह बोले फोटो खींचो, फिर मिले नहीं गए, बुला मेरे का means what? Within the society, your ability would be judged by someone else or not? Your knowledge would be judged by someone else or not? Your capability would be judged by someone else or not? So this someone else, how he gets influenced, how he gets satisfied, it makes you competent or not? So for this purpose, you must have what? Knowledge, skill and ability. तो इसको क्या कहते हैं? These two things comes from the two part of the brain. One is what? Yes, 100% right. Second is rational. अभी बताया नहीं मोटिव में आपको मैंने। Rationality comes from which part? दो हाथें हैं। राइट हैंड वर्क करता है लेफ्ट ब्रेन से, लेफ्ट हैंड वर्क करता है राइट ब्रेन से। यहाँ है लॉजिक। इसीलिए वो लोग जो दुनिया छोड़ के आगे चल देते हैं बोले वाम मार्गी है। वो कविता की दुनिया है, सृजन की दुनिया है। अब जो संसार में रह के दो का चार कैसे किया जाए, ये लॉजिक्स होता है, अरे रैशनलिटीज होता है ना। रैशनल मीन्स वो तर्क शास्त्री, हम ही सही है तुम गलत, इसको मैं प्रूव कर दूंगा, ये है रैशनलिटी। तो सोसाइटी में ये रैशनलिटी तो नहीं है, जबरदस्ती दे दो, लेकिन जब दिल की बात आई कहता नहीं कहता। मीन्स वॉट? your ability would be judged by someone else, your skill would be judged by someone else. So how you pretend to show yourself within the society comes within yourself or not? This within yourself is built up by these factors. So ability factor means reasoning. Second one is what? Logic वाला part. And books में ये लिखा है it is written comprehension. पहला क्या है? Reasoning. पहला क्या है? यही चीज जो बताई है. Reasoning means what? If you do not have any aptitude, if you are not having aptitude towards studying a good book, who make you compel you to study it? It is a natural inclination or not? I do not have any interest in studying any story book because I do not influence myself. To influence yourself, every child study comics, but at this particular 55 years age, you give me a comics, whether I read it with enthusiastic? No. Means neither I possesses that attitude, not aptitude. Why? Because through reasoning, I consider that it is not fit by myself. And through logic, logic का मतलब क्या होता है? At last, it is a comprehension, जिसका बोध हो जाए. बोध होने का मतलब क्या होता है? Through senses and mind, something that moves within yourself. Yourself means subconscious mind. उसका बोध हो जाए कि अब इसकी जरूरत नहीं है, गुलाब है तो है, खत्म है. बोध हो गया ना? तो पहला क्या हुआ? जब बोध हो गया तो क्या होगा? When something percolates into the subconscious mind, it occupies a permanent space in your mind that is known as memory. तो एबिलिटी चार चीजों से बनती है. पहला क्या है? रीजनिंग. दूसरा क्या है? कॉम्प्रिहेंशन. तीसरा क्या है? मेमोरी. चौथा क्या है? एप्टीट्यूड. जहाँ आपका झुकाव होगा वहीं आपकी अभिरुचि होगी, वहीं आपका दिमाग काम करेगा, रेशनैलिटी, वहीं आपका लॉजिक काम करेगा, वो फिर मेमोरी बन जाएगी. एंड देन यू बिकम एबिल. अच्छा डॉक्टर आपसे 2 क्वेश्चन पूछता, दवा लिखता, आप ठीक हो जाते हो. और जो कॉम्पिटेंट नहीं है, अच्छा नींद कैसी आती है, खाना कैसा आता है, चलते समय क्या होता है, ब्लड टेस्ट करो, वो करो. Being a teacher, you do our learning and experience within second we judge the competency of a teacher, of a student. Just by asking 2 questions, then we come to know कि कुछ है कंटेंट की नहीं है दिमाग में. ठीक है. So with knowledge, with skill and with ability, a person becomes competent. And a competent person performs the same activity in influencing others or achieving his objective by lesser utilization of time, efforts, what many energy and money. Money means resources. With the lesser resources, he gives the better result. With the result. For a teacher, what is the lesser resources? A good teacher के लिए सबसे टाइम कम और ये क्या कौन सा resources है? उसके लिए resources है good books. There are so many idiots who have written so many books, but if you study the good book, I must say that you find something else. You must have good resources or not. So for a teacher, good resources mean good information, and good information you will find in the good book. अच्छी किताब मिलेगी तभी काम होगा, वरना बाजार में मेडिसिन बुक्स, ऐसी बुक्स बहुत है. And students do not raise the question, so you think that I am competent enough. But within second, your competency would be judged. If your answer do not suggest that you have studied something from the good book. Because every teacher accumulates the knowledge from the good books or not. They are having only 2 ways of accumulating the knowledge, either by the books or by teacher. Books means this digital media also. There are so many good things, good lectures in the digital media. But how much time that you devote? Time, energy, and money. Then only you become a competent person. And one more thing that I would like to say that up till now also, the most revered class within the society comes from the 2 basic things of the society. One is from the education and another one is from the health. देखिए सबसे ज़्यादा सम्मानित आज भी समाज में 2 ही लोग हैं, या तो शिक्षक या तो डॉक्टर. और किसी को कितना कोई सम्मान देता है आप लोग अच्छी तरह जानते हैं कि सामने तो सम्मान दे दो, लेकिन पीछे क्या होता है. I am fortunate enough that majority of the parents met me and really they have shown their good wishes towards me. And now we are having a low mark student. Otherwise, when I joined in 2001 Institute of Business Management, there was an intake of only 60 students in BBA. And every year till 2007-8, our students from the BBA Institute go into the CAT and get successful. Majority of the BBA students were IIM graduates. But now there is no foundation. Whosoever is willing to get admission, come with money, take. Here you are the student, here there are so many plethora of teachers. So competency means what? This is what I am trying to say. That quality and quality. If you allow everyone do not possess those natural instincts which make them compelled to come and study here or there or anywhere. Because you make your decision by the information, and to translate the information into decision, you make action. And when your action is given by someone else, which you have not judged, because you do not have the capacity to judge. For capacity to judge, you must have the parameters or not. And these parameters you learn from where? From the good books, good company of people. Now you are asking a question about the capacity. Capacity, you know what is a capacity? It is a capacity of having 200 ml water. इसके ऊपर जब भरोगे तो क्या होगा? गिरेगा नहीं, गिरेगा नहीं, गिरना तो होगा, छलक जाएगा, ओवर चला जाएगा। आंसू समझ के क्यों मुझे आँख से तुमने गिरा दिया? मेरा कहने मतलब क्या है? A person is having a capacity means what? That without competency, without knowledge, without skill, he is able enough to accumulate the resources. Okay? And to get their materialistic position and the status in the society, he is acknowledged as successful. No. Success for the good people is what? The Karl Landsteiner, you know who is he? What is the contribution of Karl Landsteiner? He discovered the blood group. Discovery has saved millions of lives. You know Edward Jenner? Edward Jenner was the person who developed vaccination. Without vaccination, हमारे कितने चाइल्ड मरे? कितने वैक्सीन लगती है? चाइल्ड ग्रो कीजिए, मदर बनी होंगी आप लोग भी, कम से कम 12-14 साल तक वैक्सीन लगती रहती नहीं लगती? Who discovered? So there are so many good people who have contributed to the society by the rigorous effort which they have made. Abraham Maslow and this Michael E. Porter, Mackenzie 7, and there are so many things which you are teaching to a student. They were discovered by the people who are running from so many generations and so many generations in the future. There are so many persons in the society come and go, but the study do not change. Whenever electronics would be taught, J.J. Thomson would be taught or not? बताइए? Yes sir. Should I say okay? इसमें स्लाइड इसमें लिखा हुआ लास्ट में थैंक यू वेरी मच।